Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is March 7, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Get education. The money that you have lost will probably pay for education. It's not that expensive. It's worthwhile. I actually went to one place and took some stuff from another place and all, and I learned a lot because I got to work with some professional traders and stuff at the time, and I learned a lot from them. And all, it got me where I can understand and see what's actually really happening out here, and keeps me somewhat safe. The battle is within now. Just leave it at that. All right. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this quarterly chart and see what we see there. On this quarterly chart, we see a doji at the top on a quarterly chart. This is not good. But we're still above the pivot. So we're at the top with a lot of selling pressure going on. And as long as we stay above pivot on the quarterly chart, I feel okay. That's the whole thing on the Dow. Let's go down to the monthly chart. On this monthly chart, what we see here, again, like you said, on the monthly chart, we did go below the 9-10 moving average. We bounced and we actually closed right. We are closed right there, but we're still, just the first week into the month. We had this bearish, harami showing. I like it's right at that point of giving me that full confirmation of that. But on the monthly chart, we need to wait until the end of the month. It's all based on your trading plan and your trading strategies. If this thing is bad, this bullish, harami that was back here, like I said, it was in the wrong location. This was nothing. It didn't do anything. And now this doji with this bearish pattern here, this is in the right location, and we're trying to get that confirmation. A confirmation, I would like to see at least a close below. I think I've said this before, below that body. And if we end up getting a close below that body, we definitely will be below the 9-10 moving average, letting us know that technically we're going to be in a bear market. And now it's looking like across all indices, all indexes, we are entering a bear market. And that's what I see here on this monthly chart. But let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, the warning signs here was remember this ugly looking evening star that I saw that was in the right location. We didn't get confirmation of it the first time. We got this wrong location harami, here at the top, these two candles here and all. Evening star, harami in the wrong location, and now confirmation of evening star. All this together with this candle here closing below all that, and on the weekly chart, So now next stop, we're bouncing. We are bouncing at this is still early in the month, so these are monthly pivots. We're getting a bounce here on a support 2 level. The next bounce point that I would be thinking about is a 50 moving average. That's what this is, and see what happens there. But we are in a slide right now. You can look at these two candles here. Let me draw that a little bit better. Circle that a little better. These two candles here, I'm not drawing the whole candle. It includes that whole candle here. We are seeing a bearish engulfing. Again, looking for confirmation, and confirmation will definitely probably bring us down here to this 50 moving average. And that's what I see here on this weekly chart. This is not good if you are a bull trader like myself, but I know how to turn my hat around and join that bear team. And that's what I've had to do here this last week, or I'm trying another strategy out. That's it. You have to be able to change with the markets and all. So let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and see what we see here. And let's zoom in a little bit here. Here's where your warning signs were given and all. Definitely at the time we could see, and I know Wally put something out, and we don't, again, he sends out a newsletter. They hate that I do what I do here. They don't hate what I do here. They kind of, most people, and the people who know me, they like that they get to see this because they don't get to talk to me that much because since I work and I like riding my bike, I like doing other things other than this parking crap, But we couldn't break that high, And when that happened back here, that was a warning sign. And then we just started getting confirmation. We started getting these. We got this downward push here. I remember the expiration Friday, this recent expiration Friday. We was wondering, was that it? Because again, we had got below these all this low and all this consolidation that was going on up here, and now we're just getting follow through. The Dow kind of gaps down, and then it kind of consolidates. Then it gaps down, then it kind of consolidates. If you had a trend line, trying to draw an ugly trend line on there, you can draw one here to kind of make you happy and saying, okay, you can't cross this line, but then how far down is the trend line going to move next time? I don't see anything except for this thing maybe continue dropping, because again, this is the level that you would kind of like looking forward to bounce right where it's at this week, but we got to wait. Like I was talking to another friend, I say next week we will know if this thing is going to really get really bad or we're going to get our bounce now. And that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. Hope this is being helpful. The things don't look good, because we're at an area where, like last week, I keep saying on Monday, and then Monday gaps down, or the next day gaps down, pulls down, and right in the beginning of the week, okay, this market is not ready to go back up yet, and that's what we're seeing, and that's all I have to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Have a good one. Bye.